Hello everyone. In this question, there is a one square, and inside this square, this green angle is given 120 degree, and the length of this line segment is 2 unit, and this line segment length is given 5 unit, and this line segment length is given root 117. Then we have to find the area of this square. Okay, I will find this area of a square using cosine rule, or you can say cosine formula. What is cosine rule and cosine formula? Let's suppose if there is any triangle. Okay, ABC, and angle opposite to A, let's suppose A unit, and angle opposite to B is B unit side length. Okay, and angle opposite to C is, let's suppose, C unit length. Okay, then according to cosine rule, we can write cos A equal to cos angle A equal to, we can write sum of square of this two side, that is B square plus C square, and minus this side square over 2BC. Okay, in same way we can write cos B equal to cos angle B equal to B is the angle between this two side AB and BC. So I will write sum of square of A square plus C square minus this B square over 2AC, and also I can write cos C angle C equal to A square sum of square of this side and this side, that is A square plus B square minus C square over 2AB. So these are the formula. I will use this formula for solving this question. Now for this triangle, we know this two side length. So if we consider this side length as a x, then using cosine rule we can find the value of x. We have just find for this angle 120 degree, we can write cos 120 degree equal to sum of square of this two side, that is 2 square plus under root 17 square minus this x square, which is unknown side, over 2, this 2 into root 17 actually, we can write, and we know cos 120 degree is minus 1 over 2, this 2 square is 4, root 17 square is 17 minus x square, this 2 into 2 4, and 4 into root 7 actually is 4.12. Next we can write minus 1 over 2 equal to, this become 21 minus x square, and this will be 8 16.48. Okay, after that we can write 16.48 over 2, that is minus 16.48 over 2 equal to 21 minus x square. This implies this will cancel in, actually here is point to 8.24, 21 minus x square. After that we can write x square equal to 21 plus 8.24, which is equal to 29.824. Since we have to find the area of this square, area of this square will be what? We can write square area equal to side square, and side we have considered as a x, So x square and x square we have just calculated 29.24 unit square. So this will be the required answer for this question. Okay, 29.84 will be the required 24 will be the required answer. So thanks for watching this video. And please like, share and subscribe this channel.